Okay guys, so here are the items that you will need for this tutorial. You're going to need your wire cutters, your round nose pliers. You are also going to need your flat nose pliers. You're going to need 2 pom-poms. You're going to need, now each earring, you will need 4 spacer beads for each earring, okay? You're going to need 20 gauge wire and cut yourself at least 5 inches of 20 gauge wire. You are also going to need two 12-inch size wood beads, and these are 16 size wood beads, okay? So you're going to need 2 12 and 2 16. Now you don't necessarily have to use these size beads if you do not want to, but in order for you to achieve the look of this earring, you will need those size beads. So let's get started. Okay guys, I hope your new year is coming in and it is very positive. Everything that you are doing right now, I'm hoping that you're working towards something. You have some goals that you want to achieve before this year goes out. So we're getting ready to go ahead and get started. We want to take our 20-piece gauge wire, and I want to make sure my hand is underneath of the camera so you guys can get a really good look at what I'm doing. And we're going to just start off with making the body of the earring. This is what I call the body of the earring. So we're going to start off making this part first. So the very first thing that we need to do, you guys, is make a loop. And you know what? I'm so sorry, y'all. You're going to need 2 pieces of 20 gauge wire per earring. Okay, now the second piece that you're going to be using does not have to be 5 inches long. So this is what we should have, guys. I hope you guys can see this. And we're going to come up to the top and just start wrapping it around once or twice. Okay, I always pull my wire because you want it to stay straight. Now this is what you should have next. Now you're going to take your wire cutters and we're going to just snip that off, and we're going to take our flat nose pliers and just come in and squeeze it in so we won't have anything sticking. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of our spacer beads and put that on, and then we're going to take our wood bead, which is the 14mm bead, and then we're going to take another spacer bead and put that on top of the wood bead. And then the very last thing we're going to do is we're going to take the pom-pom. Now you're going to have to fill in the very center of the pom-pom. There will be a knot. We want to take and push this piece through the knot. Okay guys, for the sake of the video being extra long, I paused it and I pushed it through. It's going to be a knot in the center. That's where you want to put your wire, through that knot, okay? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take another spacer bead and put that over top and push it down. Now you want to push it in as tight as you can get it, okay? Now the next thing we want to do is we want to take our round nose pliers and come up and make a loop. Now when you're making your loop, make sure you want it to be as tight as possibly that you can get it. Okay, you see my loop? And then of course you guys know you want to give it a little indentation. And then we're going to start wrapping it around. Okay? And we're going to wrap it around a couple of times. Making sure, I'm trying to make sure I stay in the camera so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And as you're going around, you just want to make sure that you're holding it and it's staying nice and tight for you. Okay? Now the very next thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut off the excess. Okay? And then we're going to take our round nose pliers and just squeeze this in so there won't be anything sticking. And this is the completion of the very first part of our pom-pom wood earring. Now, this is optional. You can hang, you can put a charm or something else on the bottom of this if you would like. It's completely up to you. Or you can leave it like this. So now we're going to go ahead and start on our second piece. Now the second piece is going to be this piece right here up at the top. Okay guys, so for the second part, we're going to make a loop. Okay, give it some indentation. And then we're going to take this and connect it to the body of the bead. We're just going to push this through like that, and that's what you'll have. And then we're going to go ahead and push this up and start wrapping it around. And like I always say, guys, we're going to wrap it around once or twice. It depends on what you want. You don't have to do it twice, you can do it once. And then squeeze this in with our flat nose pliers. Okay, and this is what you're going to have. Now we're going to take another spacer bead and we're going to put that on. And we're going to take our 12 gauge wood bead and put that on. And our earring is starting to form. Now the very last thing we're going to do is add another spacer bead, and our earring, guys, will be completed except for our fish hook. So and I'm sorry y'all know how I am, I be forgetting stuff sometimes. Fish hook, there you have it. So we're going to put on our last spacer bead. Whoops. And this is our earring, guys. This is just too cute. And now we're going to go ahead and finish this off. We're going to make a loop. And believe it or not, y'all, the reason why you see my shadow on my hands is because I am recording this early in the morning. So we're going to just wrap it around a couple of times, making sure that we hold it nice and tight. Okay, straighten it up, and then we're going to snip off the excess. And the reason why I always tell y'all to make sure you have extra is because I have had to learn over the years to do it that way, because sometimes when you're making stuff, you run out of it. If you make it a certain length, you run out of it. So it's always good to have extra, and that way you won't have to worry about running out, even though it may seem like it's a waste. But it makes sense for it to be a little waste than for you to have to keep starting over and over again and really wasting a lot. So we're putting on our fish hook. And there you have it, your pom-pom. And look at this, your pom-pom earring. And these are cute to wear right now in the wintertime. This is the purple one I made. This one, uh, this one I did it a little different because I have the pom pom here and I have the head down the bottom. But this one, I put the uh, the wood bead over top of the pom pom and have the wood bead up at the top. So I thank you guys for watching today. Y'all have a wonderful, awesome Monday. Peace and blessings. And I want to thank everyone who has decided to take this journey with me. Thank you guys so much. Y'all have a wonderful, awesome day. Peace and blessings. Bye, y'all.